Yeah, it makes sense to me that endurance hunting in particular would have been relatively common in our species because of the adaptations you spoke about before, our ability to sweat and the changes to our muscle fibers. Because in the absence of those adaptations, hunting is still possible, right? Humans could have quietly crept through the woods and used
Yeah.
camouflage to engage in hunting, but the endurance hunting aspect seems to be what those adaptations really unlocked.
Yes, and it's probably related to the context of hunting. But what's important also to notice about endurance pursuits is that they have a higher success rate than other methods, than many
Mm,
other methods, because you exhaust the animal. The animals does not have many options when it's getting very tired and overheated. Whereas an animal you're creeping on, well, the animal, often you cannot, keep in mind that these games have evolved and co-evolved with humans for a long time.
yeah.
So their sense of smell is highly developed. Their sense of hearing too is well developed. So it makes it very hard to creep and come close to an animal. Like for instance, a good example is moose.